Hello people, today I'm gonna play Geometry Dash and I'm gonna yap about this channel and tell you like what it's about. So yeah, I'm gonna build on my level, cause yeah, just gonna do these boxes thing, yeah, shadow thing, so basically, no, it's my friend, he did something else. So basically, this is random bug, I can't enter this. So the thing is, like, I made these like jump pads, like these custom jump pads, and I'm gonna turn down the music. I don't know if it's copyrighted or not. So yeah, and now I just can't enter this, so I guess we have to make new jump pads or something. So I'm just gonna copy these over. I think I already got them over. Yeah, I have. So yeah, I'm just gonna. So this is not gonna be called Cave Echo. It's just gonna be like, I don't know why. I just wanted to make a cave level, and then it's copyright. I forgot about that. I don't know if it's copyright. So basically, yeah. So the level is gonna probably be called vending machine, and yeah, it's gonna be like vending machine themed, and yeah, that's pretty cool. I think it's like a unique, it's a unique theme. So I don't know why my thing was exploding, like why I couldn't like enter the things, like why I couldn't enter the level after I made those custom jump pad. So I probably should get rid of these things that look weird. So yeah, I will just make custom jump pads because I don't know what else to do right now. So I actually do know, but like, yeah, I don't like. First, I want to do like some other things. So yeah, I don't know if this will still like let me use this level if I place it like this. I think this should be good. Maybe now it works. So I don't know, maybe I should just not save an exit, or I don't know. So yeah, that was kind of weird. So now I'm gonna make like the thing other colors. So yeah, I think I'm gonna move this down a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, so basically now, yeah, now I'm gonna make this change, like make a pink pad, because I also put that in the level. So yeah. I should definitely add like groups on here because it's kind of annoying. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna do like this, and I'm gonna go over here to this pink pad, and yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm just gonna place it, and I'm gonna put over this. Yeah, I should probably make it smaller, scale it smaller. So now I'm just gonna paste this in, and maybe I can scale it. So I can't scale it, so I guess I have to warp it. I think I first should have. Put the thing there instead of. Yeah, wait. Instead of before I scaled it. Yeah. So now I want to scale it. Okay, so now I put it here. Okay, so I think that works. I think this looks good. I guess so. Can I play? Yes, I can. That's nice, but I still have the edit audio jump pads, but I think it's pretty good for now. I think I'm gonna remove the jump indicator there, because you don't really have to jump here. So yeah, did I add a group to the jump indicator? I don't know. Nope, I didn't. That was dumb. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna add the other jump pad. Yeah, so let's just put it like this. I think this is good. This look weird. Yeah, maybe I'm just gonna move those spikes a little bit. Yep. So I think this looks good for now. Yeah, so I think next we're gonna make, so basically you go here, then you go up, and then like you do all the stuff. I spam a lot of S blocks there. And then after this, like, yeah, then you like hold here. And then I want it to be like cookie, like, cause you can get cookies in the vending machine, right? And I'm gonna make like, gonna say, I don't know, cookie corridor, I don't know. And it's gonna be like, I don't know what this is. And then it's gonna be like, here's gonna be like, you're just gonna hold on at your things, and then there's gonna be like cookies, and you have this straight fly here. Wait, I think I'm gonna make this into saw blades. Cause, yeah, I don't know how to make those thingies into like cookies, so I think this is alright. Wait, I'm actually just gonna like copy paste these down here to make it easier for me. And yeah, should I buff the straight fly? Seems too easy. Yeah, I think. Or is that I don't know. Wait, I'm just gonna put it here. And then we just remove on the front, or will I direct that transition? I'm gonna check. I don't know if I'm even gonna manage to wave. Probably not, but because this way is kind of hard. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, I'm just gonna put a start position here. So no, you're not gonna die, I think, by this transition. Yeah, I think this isn't the worst transition ever. Yeah, so I think here I'm just gonna make it like, yeah, let's first work on this part. So I'm just gonna have to make a cookie. So I could take this, but I don't know, this cookie's eaten in the middle, so like that's done. And wait, what did I do here? Wait, I should hold this. I say that's good. So now I'm gonna start making a cookie, I guess. Yeah, so if anybody is watching this, I don't think a lot of people gonna watch this, I don't know. So if you like that I build uncut footage, like, then if people like that, then I would do that, because I always like watching uncut building footage of people building it. I know people actually like that. So if you guys, what's your preferences, then like you could tell me in the comments, or I don't know. So yeah. Maybe this has to be darker. Because those are the chips. Chocolate chips. So yeah. This is not right. Cookie, I guess. Wait. Wait, I have a better idea. Make scales a little bit more bigger. I think this is good. That's a good chocolate chip, I guess. God, I press it. It's okay, so I think I'm just gonna add goop here, so it's not gonna be too annoying. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna add like what is this here? So yeah, I'm just gonna scale this warp it, I guess. This is the right volume? Wait, I have to just check. Yep, that's the right color. Yeah, no, I'm just wrong thing. Now let's go here and just spam the chocolate chips smaller, like copy paste them. Yeah. yeah, I don't know how this will look later, but I think this should look alright. Shouldn't look too bad, I hope. Like, yeah. Let's scale this even bigger. What was that? Let's make a really big one first. Yeah. That's good, and now I'm gonna make some smaller ones too. Oh my god, I think this looks really dumb, but I don't know. I don't know if it will look really dumb. Hope not. I think they look like too aligned. They should look like messy and scattered around. It's alright, like, it's not. I think we need less, like, wait, I want to keep one weight. So, wait, how did I do it on this one? I just carried them around in a circle, I guess. This is probably gonna look even dumber, but I don't know. No, it's not that bad. This doesn't look like cookie. I kinda does, you know. I'm gonna make one more down here. I think that's good, actually. I don't know. This looks weird and aligned, but it's alright. So now I'm gonna make a saw blade here. Wait. Let's get it smaller so the hitboxes aren't unfair. Wait. Yeah, that's good. So yeah, let's make it invisible. Yep, this looks very good. Gonna let's just put away all this. Because it wastes objects. I don't know if I will even have to save objects here, but not really, but still. Because yeah. Yeah. So, oops. Forgot to get the chocolate chips. I think that's good. This looks good. Wait, it doesn't look like really copy paste. Let's just like turn them and other stuff, you know. really copy pasted. Spammed. I think this looks weird, but wait. Third position. Oops. Okay. So here was my third position. So here weights. So now here. Can I play this? I can. This looks kind of weird to be honest. It's kind of hard. Wait, I can get it 2 times in a row. I'm gonna keep it, but it's kind of too hard, I think. Actually, if we get used to it. No, I don't think it's too bad. Like, it's not too hard. This might look kind of weird. Yeah, this kind of looks weird. So yeah, and if we go to select all the thingies, okay. Okay, we've got this. Maybe like, I think this looks a little bit better. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna make like hard play for a few seconds. And wait, no, I'm gonna be like, I think I would curve it all wrong. How do you even run it? Wait, I'm dumb. I'd like to say. I don't know. Now let's scale this a little smaller. I don't want to change like the font on this. I don't know how to even do that. No. What's happening? Oh, wait. This is confusing me. I don't understand. Should I just build it from my own? I'm just gonna make like a pixel thing like this. Is like, yeah, I think that's a good pixel thing. Block. God, why is this pixel block so weird? Is this a less weird one? Yeah, this is a normal one. Why is it so weird? Like different node, outer blocks. Okay, so oh my god, I've been recording for really long. I'm just gonna finish this text and then I'm gonna end the video. Because that was really long. They just forget how to write copy. I don't know. Forgot, I think this is how you write it. Oh my god, I wrote it wrong, but I don't care because I'm gonna end now the video and yeah. Okay, that looks really weird and dumb. But yeah, I'm just gonna change it later. That was, yeah, this is this version. So let's move this to the top and wait, I wanna update. Oh, I don't know. So basically, yeah, thank you for watching. If you've watched this far, I doubt it, but I know. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, that's it with the video, I guess. I have to save this. Actually, I'm not gonna do this. I don't care if you guys like. I don't. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, bye.